Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to contact Roblox customer support. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what you want to do is open up a web browser. Now from here we want to go to a site called pissconsumer.com. This is it here. So go ahead and click onto this web page. Now from here you want to click on the search magnifying glass icon and then type in Roblox. And then Roblox should appear below. Here it is here with 24,000 reviews, time of this recording. And now scroll down and then look for an option that says reviews about contacts. Click on the contacts tab and then you want to skip out of the ad. Then scroll down again and then we've got a toll-free number we can give a call, or you can simply click on the call customer service here. Or if you'd rather speak to them via email, click on send message. And they've also got some other phone numbers below as well you can give a call.